So I just finished my Sunday workout and I'm gonna go get something because I want to do like a crab salad. You guys, please ignore my face. This is literally how I turn. It is like the most embarrassing and awkward thing in life. I'm so mortified, but this is how I look after I work out really intensely, and it is just crazy and just wild and just like not it. But I did fasted cardio workout this morning, really intense, and then I'm gonna go home and have some lunch. I want to do like crab with pasta salad and stuff like that, so I'm gonna stop, get some pasta, get some things to put in the salad, and then yeah, this is basically what I eat in a day. And I always start by doing some kind of fasted workout on a Sunday. So let's go get it. Please ignore how I look, you guys. Oh my god. Okay, so please ignore my hair. I just took a shower after practice. I'm so hungry. So this is like the imitation crab sticks that I have here. So I'm gonna do this. And then I got on my way, I stopped to get some of these mixed vegetables. And then I'm gonna do mayo, sriracha. Probably I'm gonna add some capers because I think that would be really nice. So if you guys have been watching my previous what I eat in a day to lose weight type videos, you would know that I would eat my heaviest meal for lunch. And then for dinner, I would probably do like a chickpea salad or something like that. And I also picked up some fresh strawberries. Let me show you guys. So I think I wanna do like a berry bowl later or some kind of thing like that. But yeah, let's go make the crab salad. It's pretty easy to make as well. And like I said, I do my workouts on Sundays because this is a Sunday video. I do it fasted, and I feel like if that just works the best for me, there is no way I can get up and eat and then have an intense workout and then not throw up, because if I even drink too much water, I will throw up. And that is the other thing. I am working on being more hydrated because I realize I don't drink a ton of water, so I'm definitely working on that. So I constantly have like a bottle of water around me so I can not dehydrate myself, especially after working out for so long and so intense. While I was showering, I put on the pasta so that it could boil and stuff and get ready. It's really easy to do because the crab is basically cooked already, or whatever you want to say. Just made my pasta and crab salad and it looks really good. I had some kale, so I added that. I have to always eat with pepper, so I'm having this pepper sauce. It is so good. Let me do a taste test with you guys. This is the first time I made this, and I think it is just going to be a really easy thing to make. The pasta literally boils while I was in shower, and then I did the mushrooms. I added in that extra just for a little bit more texture. After I finish like do those types of workouts, I make sure and eat properly, because I felt like when I was like now trying to figure myself out, I would not like eat enough and I would feel really hungry about like an hour later, and it would make me feel to just eat. So I make sure and give myself a really good meal like this, like with the carbs and the protein, fats, vegetables, and even the little kale that I added because I love eating things with greenery. So this is gonna fill me up so good for a while, and then I will have like my afternoon snack if I feel I need something to eat. And right now I'm just gonna go ahead and watch some Netflix because today is like my day off to just do whatever I want. Right now I'm watching Bling Empire, New York, The Empress. I finally finished it. It was so good. Bling Empire is not as good as the original Bling Empire. I love that because Crazy Rich Asians is my favorite show, and I feel like if Bling Empire is like a mini series on it. And then after that I am watching Virginia and Georgia. I started it, it's going really, really good. So let's go do that. Let's just do nothing for the rest of the day. And I'm here for it. I'm living for it. Hello. I woke up. It is around 3:30 and I'm pretty full from the crab pasta salad that I did. But I have a meeting around 4 o'clock, a Zoom meeting, and I just wanted to have a little snack. So I'm having some strawberries. So what I like doing is soaking my strawberries for a few minutes, and I'm gonna do that with white vinegar. And this kind of helps when you soak it, gets rid of anything that might be on it, and I feel like if it helps it last longer. So I would soak it for about 10 minutes in the water and vinegar mixture, and then I would go ahead and put it in my berry bowl to help it last longer, because I like to spread out eating strawberries, and sometimes these rot really, really quickly. So I have my strawberries right here. And that is Lola right there. It's going to go ahead and pour some of this, just probably like a cup. I have to get more bowls, you guys. This is literally the bowl that I'm using. Probably do like another cup, just, oops. This is the berry situation, and I will just let that kind of sit for a while. These are some that I put aside. That I didn't bother to do that whole vinegar soak with, because I'm going to eat this right now. This will be my evening snack that I will have right now. I love keeping fruit in my fridge as my snacks. I rarely keep any snacks in my fridge. Right now I have Portugals. I love Portugals. That is what is in season, and I try to eat in season as well. But the reason why I just didn't feel like peeling anything now, and I just got these strawberries today. So this is what will just keep me a little pick me up throughout my meeting in case I get hungry. I don't really like to snack, to be honest. If I do want a snack, I would have like Tostitos or something, but then I tend to eat the whole bag, so I rather just like stick with my good old berries or fruit or something like that. Before strawberries, I had cantaloupe and what was the green melon? I can't remember the name of that, but we're just gonna eat strawberries today. I have my strawberries, and then I have a glass of water to just remind me to stay hydrated. I think I really need like a cute water bottle. I had one and I don't know where it went when I moved. I need to get back one. And I have my yummy strawberries, and I'm setting up my laptop and stuff for the meeting. It starts around 4 o'clock and it is 3:45 right now. Fresh strawberries taste amazing. So in the back here I have some books that, well, you already saw this one from my previous video, which is 101 essays that will change the way you think, and I need to read this and get to it. And then I have my wellness journal, which you guys always see. So this is what I use to track my meals, my workouts, and everything like that. You probably saw this all the time because this is something that I genuinely use in my everyday routine. I think I have like, today's the what? I think I have 2 days to catch up on. So I'll do that while I wait for my Zoom meeting to start. And then I also, of course, have a notepad to take notes during my Zoom call. I'm gonna do that and then check up on you guys later. I think I did mention that I am full still, which is why I make sure to eat properly after my workouts, so I would not be feeling extremely hungry. And then this is just like a fun little snack to have. Of course, Lola is always here, you guys. So I wanted to do something really light for dinner because I'm still full from eating the pasta and the crab salad. But I know if I don't eat something, I will start feeling really hungry and peckish towards the night. So I'm doing like my favorite. This is like a really essential go-to for me. It is a chickpea salad with tuna. This is flaked tuna, but normally I use tuna chunks. I just had this last one in my fridge, so I just decided to use it out. So I just did the chickpeas, the canned tuna. Across here, I have some arugula. I am just adding some tomatoes to that and some onions and some chive. I have been loving this pesto aioli sauce, so I'm just going to go ahead and add that. So I'm just going to add the spritz of fresh lemon juice. This is my favorite thing in life. I honestly cannot live without it. I feel like if traditionally you might do like mayo or something in your chickpea and tuna salads, but you can add like so many different sauces to it. I think that is the beauty of it. And like I said, this is like a go-to. I do like chickpea and tuna salads all the time, and I would just change up the sauces or what I put in it. I love lemon pepper as well as the seasoning flavor to my food. As you guys probably know by now, I don't really cook with a ton of salt. Give that a little mix again. And across here I have my arugula, and I love arugula. I think this is like my favorite kind of greens of all time. Okay, it is around 6:45 right now. My cats are literally going crazy. I have to hold my food or else they will try to eat the tuna. This is the avocado. It's almost there. Like I was trying to get it to ripen for a few days now, and I have it in some newspaper, trying its best. So hopefully I can use that soon. Here is my yummy salad, and Coco and Lola are literally like all over the place now. This is basically an idea of what I eat on a day that I'm home, which is basically on a Sunday when I just don't do anything much. But if I go out, obviously I will just eat whatever I want to eat, because it's all about having that balance, like I always tell you guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and watch Netflix. I'm finishing out Bling Empire. It was just average, like I would say, not like the original one, which was really good. And I'm also gonna just do nothing, like I said, because today was my do nothing day, and I have to have one of these days to just reset. And I did all of my chores on Friday night, so I had nothing really to do on Sunday. I wanted to show you guys, don't laugh at me, this is my guilty pleasure. So ice cream is my favorite snack, but I don't keep a lot of ice cream in my freezer because I eat the entire tub. When I snack, I really snack, you guys. So sometimes when I want to treat myself, I would have a Swiss Miss hot chocolate, which I am going to do tonight because I'm just having a very chill do nothing day. This is just so heavenly to me, and I just have a good time just sipping and watching my Netflix. So I don't buy like a box of Swiss Miss, because then I think that I will eat it every single day, and I'm very just careful about what I am having in my apartment and just making sure to be mindful and intentional. And I know myself, and I know, for instance, if I got like a tub of ice cream instead of these smaller portions, I would want to eat the tub. So yeah, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it and kind of saw my day and what I ate and all of that. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it and if you want to see more videos like these, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.